Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Language channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this channel, we learn English in a simple and easy way. We speak slowly and use easy words. Let's begin.
Not again. This is just unbelievable.
Mark? Is everything okay? I heard you. You sound upset.
Upset? Brian, I am furious. My parking spot, it's gone again. This is the third time this week.
Oh no, the one with your number, 3B?
Yes, the one with my number, the one I pay for, the one that clearly says 3B right there. But someone keeps taking it.
Do you know who it is this time?
Of course I know who it is. It's Sam from 3A. His yellow car is sitting right there, big as life. He knows it's my spot. He just moved in, but he's been here long enough to know.
Sam? Are you sure? Did you talk to him?
Talk to him, Brian? I was too angry to talk. My blood was boiling. Yesterday, it was his car, too. I saw it. I couldn't even look at him. I just walked away.
And what did you do then?
Well, I did something not very good.
Mark, what did you do?
I went to my kitchen. I found a banana, a ripe one, a little brown, and I put it under his car's windshield wiper. I thought, this will teach him.
A banana? Mark, that's not a good idea. That will make a mess, and it doesn't solve the problem.
But he took my spot. He deserved it. He knows it's mine.
Brian, sometimes we think people know things, but they don't. Or maybe they made a mistake. Did you really, truly talk to Sam? Did you ask him, Sam, do you know this is my parking spot?
No, I just got angry. I just assumed. I just put the banana there.
Mark, that's not the best way. When we have a problem, the best way is to talk. It's what I call the green line solution.
The green line solution? What is that, Brian? Is it from one of your books?
Yes, it is. It means we try to find the straightest, clearest path to solve a problem. It means talking calmly. It means listening to the other person. It means trying to understand their side, not getting angry right away, not doing things like putting bananas on cars.
I see. So I should have talked to him first. But what if he gets angry at me? What if he shouts?
Maybe, but it's better to try. You can start simply. You can say, "Excuse me, Sam, can I talk to you for a moment?" Then you can say, "I wanted to talk about the parking spot. My apartment is 3B, and this spot is mine." You can ask him, "Did you know it was my spot?" And then, Mark, you must listen. Listen to his answer. Maybe he has a good reason. Maybe he just made a mistake. Maybe he didn't see the sign.
Listen and understand, not just get angry. You're right, Brian. I didn't do that. I just reacted.
It's okay, Mark. We all do that sometimes. But now you know a better way. The green line way. Try it. I think you'll feel better no matter what happens.
Okay, Brian. I will try. I will talk to Sam. I will try the green line solution. Thank you.
Good. Let me know what happens. I'm here if you need to talk more.
Brian, good news.
Mark, what happened? Did you talk to Sam? You look happy.
Yes, I did, and you won't believe this. It's amazing.
Tell me. Don't keep me waiting.
Sam didn't know it was my parking spot. Can you believe it? He really didn't know.
Really? He didn't know? How could he not know? It has your number.
He said he's new in the building. He just moved in last week, He thought that spot was empty. He said he saw the spot and thought, oh, a free spot. He didn't see the small sign with 3B on it. He said it was a little hidden behind that big bush near the wall. He was still learning about the building, about everything.
Oh, wow. See? Sometimes we think people know, but they don't. It's so important to ask, to talk, to not just assume. You were right to talk to him, Mark.
And there's more. Sam said sorry. He felt very, very bad. He said, "Oh, Mark, I am so, so sorry. I truly did not see the sign. I'm new here and I was just trying to find a place to park. I thought it was an empty spot." He even said he would park in visitor parking from now on. He promised. And he offered to clean the banana mess. He saw it.
He asked, "Was that a banana?"
A banana, so he saw it. That's wonderful, Mark. See, talking was the green line solution. When you talk, you understand. When you understand, you don't get angry. You find a way to be friends. You find a way to solve things peacefully.
You were so right, Brian. So right. And I said sorry for the banana, too. I told him, "Sam, I am also very sorry. I was angry. I didn't think. I put a banana on your car. It was not a good thing to do. It was wrong."
Did he forgive you? Was he angry about it?
Yes, he even laughed. He said, "A banana? Mark, that's funny. Don't worry about it. It's okay. We all make mistakes, especially when we're angry or confused." He understood why I was angry. He said he would have been angry too if someone took his spot. He said, "Let's just forget the banana, okay? We're good. We're friends now, Brian. He's really nice."
That's great, Mark. That is truly great. I am very happy for you. You followed the green line in the end. You chose to talk. You chose to understand. You chose to forgive. And you were brave enough to ask for forgiveness too. That is a very strong thing to do. It shows real character.
Thanks to you, Brian, really. You helped me see. You helped me think before I acted. You helped me be a better person today. I learned a big lesson. It's always better to talk. It's always better to be kind, even when you feel angry, even when you feel wronged.
That's what friends are for, Mark. To help each other, to learn together, to remind each other of the green line.
Oh, and here's your book back. I borrowed it last week. It was a very good book. It made me think about many things, about how we talk to people, about how we solve problems.
Thank you. And I promise, no more writing in your books. I remember I wrote a small note in your book once, didn't I? I'm sorry for that, Mark. It was not right to write in someone else's book without asking.
It's okay, Brian, really. We both learned something today, didn't we? About respect, about talking, about saying sorry.
Yes, we did. A very important lesson.
Sam invited me for coffee tomorrow. He said, "Mark, let's have coffee. We can talk more about the building, about everything." He's really nice, Brian. I almost missed out on a good friend because I was too angry to talk.
You did well, Mark. You turned a bad situation into a good one. You showed courage, and you gained a friend. That's a wonderful outcome.
I feel so much lighter now, so much happier. I was so stressed about that parking spot. And the banana, I felt bad about that. But now, it's all good. It's all clear. Talking is strong. Forgiveness is strong. Understanding is strong. These things make life better. They make people friends. They make big problems small.
Exactly, Mark. Exactly. It's a lesson we all need to remember every day.
I will. I really will. I'm going to remember the green line solution. Always. Thank you, Brian, for everything.
You're welcome, Mark. Now, go get some rest and enjoy your coffee with Sam tomorrow.
Mark walks back to his apartment, a spring in his step. He looks at his parking spot. It is empty. He knows Sam will park in the visitor spot. Mark feels a warmth in his heart. He is glad he has a friend like Brian. He is glad he made a new friend like Sam. The next day, Mark and Sam sit at a small cafe, drinking coffee. They talk and laugh. The banana is a funny story now, not a problem. It is the start of a good friendship. Mark knows that problems will come again in life, but now he knows how to solve them. He will use the green line solution. He will talk, he will listen, he will understand, he will forgive, and he will ask for forgiveness. This is the best way to live. This is the way to be a good person. And it all started with a parking spot and a banana and a friend who taught him to talk.